What is written on the front of the preserved tablet, in what they can see on the tablet, in the visible part? We can think of the preserved tablet as a screen on which the angels, in other words, what is in front of them. Can you see anything a minute before it is shared? Neither can the angels. Another screen will come, but you don't see it yet, only what is in front of you. When you see it at first, you say, this man is a believer, he is blessed. He is a man of good deeds, a friend of Allah. That is, all this is said because of the actions that are seen when they are performed. The angels can see this. Here we are not talking about Allah having enveloped everything with His infinite knowledge. He can see what is written, but didn't they say that what is written cannot be altered? Didn't we say that destiny does not change? The decision taken at the last moment by Allah does not change. This infinite knowledge does not change. It is not that the preserved tablet does not change. Is erased, decomposes, is written, and then decomposes again. This infinite knowledge does not change. The decisions remain the same. This is because we cannot think of any error in the knowledge of Allah. But first He shows this to the angels so that they are astonished, saying Allah, and reflect on what they have seen, so that everyone learns a lesson, that no one trusts themselves, that no one says they will definitely die as a Muslim, that they do not believe in those people who claim to have read the preserved tablet, that everyone fears. That is because Allah has infinite knowledge about you. Allah knows exactly what your end will be. Now, if you say that Gabriel came and you could see him with your own eyes or in your dreams, Gabriel, peace be upon him, does not have infinite knowledge. Okay, let's say he doesn't have this infinite knowledge. What if he could have read the preserved tablet and brought you information about yourself from it? You can't trust this either. Okay, let's say you saw Gabriel, peace be upon him, in your dream, and this dream is real. You performed your consultation prayer and slept with ablution, with the greatest ablution, and you swear that you slept inside the Kaaba. All this just to link it to the Sharia. Why do I say all this? The truth is not known even by Gabriel, Azrael, or Michael, peace be upon them. None of them knows the complete truth. No one knows for sure. Their own information that is on the preserved tablet, when it will happen, from which year to which year, decree by decree. Or for example, the guardian angels, not even the daily life. Only when something is known about certain hours or certain events, it is possible for them to know, but not the entire preserved tablet completely. In this way, we can understand that what we come to see on the preserved tablet is not the infinite knowledge and exact decision of something. But what it can do is show you which action you should perform, and this it does through an angel, and it also makes it known to the Prophet. For this reason, we say that what is written does not decompose. That is, what is in the infinite knowledge. Otherwise, what meaning would you give to the following verse? Allah erases what He wills and confirms what He wills. This is called Mahu Isbat. What does this mean completely? That it can be decomposed. Here we are talking about the preserved tablet. Being this so, the decree or destiny is not what changes, because destiny is what is written in the infinite knowledge. But obviously, some changes may be shown on the front part. That is, he will live like this for 10 years and like that for 20 years. But it doesn't make you assume something certain about what will happen.